Have you had instances where you get a video which you cannot open, or your video editor doesn't accept that format? Or do you have a video file which is huge, like a few GB, and you don't know how to make it smaller in size? I'm Sarbjit Singh. Let's tackle these issues with a free application for all operating systems. Handbrake is an open source video transcoder available for Linux, Mac and Windows. Everyone can use Handbrake to make videos for free. Handbrake is a post-production tool. Its primary purpose is to convert videos from supported source formats to MP4, MKV or WebM format. I'll be dealing with MP4 today. Handbrake takes videos you already have and makes new ones that work on your mobile phone, your tablet, TV media player, game console, computer or web browser, nearly anything that supports a modern video format. Handbrake can also make videos that are smaller than originals, taking up less storage space on your device, and at the same time doesn't compromise on quality. Just beware, Handbrake, however, does not defeat or circumvent copy protection of any kind. It does not work with video files employing digital rights management, which is also called DRM. My most frequent uses for Handbrake are to change video format from mostly MOV to MP4, to reduce the size of big files, trying not to lose video quality in the process. So I'll show you how to use it. Let's go. Let us now fire up the Chrome browser and type in handbrake.fr and press return. That will open up the Handbrake web page, and you can download the file. I'm using a Mac, so I downloaded version 1.3.3 for Mac. Those who are using PC, they can use the same place. You will be able to download Handbrake for PC. I already have this file or application in my computer, so I'm not going to redo it. Those who don't have it, you download it and install it the normal way that you do. The same thing goes for PC. Now I will open up the Handbrake through Spotlight search. Can't even spell Handbrake. Okay, Handbrake, and then press return. That will fire up my Handbrake, and it will ask for the file name. But before doing that, I'll just open up the Finder and see my file which I want to convert to MP4. It is on my hard disk, and it is in the hard disk subdirectory, Handbrake subdirectory, and it is a .mov, you can see here, and the size is close to 260 MB, which is quite a big file. And we want to convert it to MP4, and also we want to compress it to a smaller size, trying not to compromise on the video quality. So I will click on source again and then go to my hard disk and the subdirectory where my .mov file is, and then open it. Once you click on open, it will load it onto the Handbrake application. Then you just check the title area to make sure that the file is the correct file. The second thing we need to check is the preset. I have chosen the default one, which is fast 1080p 30 frames per second. This is full HD at 30 frames per second. And the format, of course, I want MP4, and also I'll tick web optimized so that the video gets optimized for use on the web. It can go to Facebook, YouTube, or wherever. Next thing we have to do is go to the video tab, and the encoder I'm going to use is H.264, which should work fine for me, and frame rate is again 30 FPS. Next thing we have to decide on is the quality of the video. If you go left, the quality goes down. If you go right, the quality goes up. So between 17 and 22 is usually a good sweet spot. But in this case, I'll tap on average bitrate. The default is 6000, but in my experience 2500 is quite good for me, and that will actually reduce the file size as well. So I'll do that, and then we can check other tabs like the filters and sound, subtitles, but I don't need to change any of these. The next thing that we need to confirm is where does our MP4 file go. We choose the folder by going to and clicking on browse, which is in the right lower corner, and then again I'm going to save it in the same folder on my hard disk. It's the Handbrake folder, and I click on choose, and the file is ready to be converted. Then I click on start, and at the bottom you will see that something has started to happen, and that is the progress bar will be seen here. It will take a few minutes. So what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and then wait to reach almost the end before I start again. We are almost done, just a few more seconds left. Let's see how Handbrake has handled that .mov file. There's about 3 more seconds left, and we'll get a notification once the task is complete. Okay, it's done. Let us now go and have a look at the file size. Let's go to the same directory, Handbrake, and bam, we have .mov and .mp4. If we have a look, .mov is, as we said earlier or saw earlier, 264.9 MB, and ta-da, this MP4 is 47 MB. It's a massive difference. Now let's see whether there's a difference in quality. Let's open it. I'm going to open this with the QuickTime Player. This is the .mov. Have you had instances where you get a... Now let's check the MP4, which is a smaller size. Have you had instances where you get... Well, to me the quality looks the same, no difference, but just imagine what a huge difference in file size. From 260 to just 47, that's amazing. That's just crazy amazing. That is why I love Handbrake. I hope you guys like this program. I hope you download, if you don't have it already, you download Handbrake and use it. Anybody who uses videos to edit or to record or to watch, you just download it. One more thing, I'll just let you know that you can actually convert your DVDs and VCDs to MP4 as well, so that you can save them on your computers or do whatever you need to do with them. Maybe one day I'll make a tutorial on that as well. If you like the video, please do click on like, share it, and if you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss many more videos like this which are going to come in the very near future. Bye bye, have a safe day, bye.